Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix missing Netplwiz checkbox. Users must enter username and password to use this computer. Click search icon, type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Click yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click and expand passwordless. Click device. Open device passwordless build version. Change value data to 0, click OK and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.